Nerf blasters. And we're doing the Nerf blaster challenge. Hey Siri, pick a number from 1 to 50.
It's 20.
20?
All
okay,
right.
what do we have? Oh, there it is. The Fortnite Mega Heavy Sniper. Nice.
Hey Siri, pick a number 1 to 50.
The answer is 48.
48. All right, let's see.
Alright.
Let's go. Oh, what? Oh! You got the Ultra Select.
Nice.
I think you're missing a few mags over here.
We'll get them later.
Yeah,
that
we'll get
doesn't
it
matter
later.
now.
Okay. The first challenge is to knock down that huge cup pyramid. All right, Heavy Sniper versus the cup pyramid. Let's go. Oh, come on! And what? This is not fair. Dude, I didn't expect the whole pyramid to just fall. 136! Max, we need to build this pyramid again. The next challenge is called Nerf Tic-Tac-Toe. I'm gonna let this trusty mystery hound over here to choose the guns for us. Oh! Congratulations! Great gun. What do you got for me? What do you got for me? Oh! The double breach. Yeah, why did you get Max a better gun? Oh, you're going for the middle one,
Yes.
alright.
Not a bad start.
Yeah!
Okay.
Bam! Oh, you missed! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Miss! 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 Alright, I gotta hit that bottom one over there. Easy! Yes! Yeah! Yeah!
Come on.
No! Alright, GG. Yeah! 20 points, let's go! Alright Max, the winner of this game gets to choose any blaster over there. Yes!
Okay.
Oh, so close! Ah! Alright, nice. No. Ah!
Yes.
Oh, okay. No, you got it! Come on! Yes! No! Yes!
I have one.
No, you still have one more! Okay, come on! Miss! Please, miss! Yeah!
Okay, time to pick my Nerf gun. Obviously, I'm picking the Nemesis. Yes. Oh. All right.
3, 2, 1! Oh! What are you doing to the table? Okay.
Okay. 18 points. I don't know. That's pretty bad. No.
For the next challenge, each of us can pick any Nerf gun, but this mystery wheel will decide which colors we get. White! Nice! Red! Alright, very good, very good. What am I picking? What am I picking?
Oh, I'm
Okay.
gonna pick the Centurion.
Okay, not bad, not bad. But I'm gonna pick the big boy Boomdozer. Okay, Max, whoever pops the most balloons in this line gets 20 points. All right?
Okay, Centurion versus the balloons. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh, that was pretty. Oh, I didn't expect so much power.
I got 6 balloons.
Nice. This Mega XL has huge darts, so it should be pretty easy. All right. No, that was a mistake. Let's redo. Okay, round 2. Let's go. Oh! Oh! Okay. Let's count them up. Come on, only 3 balloons, which means Max, you won another 20 points.
Yes!
Well done, gentlemen. Well done, gentlemen. Revenge on the balloons! Oh! No!
Nice.
Okay, the winner of this game gets to choose any gun for the next Nerf bowling challenge. Give me the 50 points. Give me the 50 points. Yes! Yeah! No. Go! Yeah! You also got 50 points.
Come on. Oh, no, it's too much. No.
No, please. No, go! No! Oh, come on, please. No! Oh. Yes!
It's a 10.
It's 10.
It's 10. No!
Let's go.
All right, what are you picking?
This is such an easy question. Of course, I'm gonna be picking the Ultra Feral Sniper.
All right, each bowling pin is 5 points. All of them? Ow!
Last dart.
Go!
Okay.
Yay!
Guess what? I got 35 points.
Yeah, I'm like losing by 70 points, 80,
Yes.
100, I don't know.
Money.
Okay, Max, let's go. Hey, you're going. Ah, yeah. Oh, you spilled it. Oh, go. Oh, it's not okay. For you. Oh.
Oh, everything's good.
No. Oh. Ah, yeah. Oh, no, it's gonna spill.
Oh.
No.
You're...
It's ripping apart.
No.
Come on. Yeah! It was so cool. But wait, does this mean I win or what?
Yes.
Yeah!
Let's get finished further.
No.
And your gun is this Minecraft bow!
This is like the worst gun ever.
It's not even a gun. Anyways, and my gun is number 13, Raptor Strike with 2 magazines. So each hit is 10 points. So I might catch up. Okay, Max, you ready? Let's go! get 30 points. Okay, guys, the winner of this challenge with 238 points is Congratulations! Congratulations!
Yes!
Yay! Alright! If you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe. Bye!